Okay, we actually got snow for the Christmas lights here. So my little penguin actually looks like he's skiing down the snow now, finally. December 1st, first snowstorm of the season. And it's been snowing for about 4 hours now, I guess. It's pretty heavy, too. Turn to the south. It goes up your nose. Come on, Jake. Jakey's happily peppered with snow. God, it's windy, so it's like snow just keeps blowing around. But the house looks real pretty. I put Rudolph inside because tomorrow it's supposed to get kind of windy and I didn't want him to get destroyed. My neighbor's house looks so pretty. It's blue, and then the other house too is lit up. I slid on my butt down the slope today because the penguin was having some issues, so I went out there to fix them, but then I slipped and slid down the hill. My tree is covered in snow. My mailbox pretty much shows the accumulation we've had here. The candy canes look pretty. Santa. Ooh, my hands are freezing. I should have put my gloves on, huh? But it looks really pretty. Can't even see the garland here. Come on, Jake. The snowy steps. My flower boxes are buried in snow. I like that creaky sound of snow. And I got my new snow boots. Yay, they came just in time. This is a little snow dude I made earlier. Man, it's cold. I think I should go back inside. God, look at my candles are covered with snow. My little chandelier here. Whew. It is blowing snow. It's blowing up to my door, unfortunately. So I gotta keep sweeping it away. Man, it is freaking cold. God, it's even accumulating like on my house. On the shingle. The siding, I mean. Whew. It is cold. I think I should go inside.